When I first started welding, I really enjoy making things. I did some woodworking before that, did some construction. Always enjoyed that. I had a good friend who was into it as well and thought I might be good at it. And it's a skill and a craft, but it's also kind of an art. You know, when you do a good job, it looks really good, and it's kind of really satisfying to lay down a really nice weld. That's kind of a little dopamine hit, I guess, to see something like that. I like taking a really complex blueprint and sitting down with it and thinking it out and doing, whether it takes math, takes a lot of thinking. It's a little challenging, but it is also a lot more fun than just doing really simple two pieces, stuck them together. It's kind of fun when you got to figure out angles and circles and various things like that. I really enjoy putting together more complex structures. When I'm training people, it's really nice to kind of see them have that aha moment, because a lot of these people that come in, they're not brand new. They've welded before, but maybe it's been a while, or they have experience with different kinds of welding, and it's just kind of shown them enough to get that aha moment where it really clicks in their head, and then all of a sudden they're off to the races. I really like when you kind of get that little breakthrough for people. You know you did a good job. It helps to have people that are good at certain things and have them collaborate together to work together towards a common goal. When you have a group of people using specific people's skill sets, things will run a lot smoother. I like working here because I enjoy working with aluminum, and it's a really good, stable company to work for. The end product that we make is pretty cool. It's pretty neat to say you helped build something like a battleship or whatever it is. There's a lot of young kids out there getting started, and that's great. If you can stick with it and put in your time, listen to the guys that have been there a long time, learn a lot, you will go far.